Hi everyone, you are watching NAVIGATOR YouTube channel. We will discuss today about very important device on board vessels, EEBD, Emergency Escape Breathing Device. So first of all, I will tell you these carriage requirements. You can refer FSS code and SOLAS chapter 2. Because this one carriage requirements depend on the size and type of the vessel, it will be different. So first of all, we will check parts of this thing. This is front side of the EEBD. This manufacturer Lalisas for your vessel may be different one, but principle will be same. So this is the gauge level. If it is a green zone, you can use this one. It is usable. This is the external part. Next step, pulling handle, and also instruction here how to use very clearly. This is very simple things. Where around the neck, gently pull with this one, then automatically operating. Then you can wear a hood with mask, airflow, then you can normally breathe and escape from the dangerous space. So this write down here also of SOLAS requirement and FSS code. So we will check inside now. So I will open for you. This is hood with face mask. You can see inside face mask. This one fit for your nose, and this one fit into your neck, around your neck. And I'll show you how we'll operate this one. You can see here this one. When we pull this one removing an airflow opening. When you pull this one, this remove and automatically opening and flow in the air. So this is the bottle. We have to remember very important thing is we can use this one only 15 minutes. This air enough for 15 minutes. So I will show you how to wear this one. So guys, we can done like this front side. We can say gauge like this. We can see gauge like this, and we can pull. This is the pulling handle, gently like this. But I am not going to operate this one. This is not a training one. So just I show you. Just pull out and take out the mask and wear it. Then you can breathe normally. Then you can escape quickly, because this air enough for 15 minutes. We have to remember very important thing. This one only for emergency, only for escaping, not for firefighting, not for going inside tanks, this one only for emergency. This is the, we have to remember very important things. So as an example, if you have a fire in your alleyway, so alleyway is full of smoke, you cannot see anything, but you know where is the position EEBD. Just go there and gently wear this one quickly and escape from this area. This is the purpose of this one. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. We will see in the next video. Thank you.